Hello, my name is Plamena and today we are going to answer one very common question that we have from our students. What is the difference between direct and indirect verbs and how to recognize them? Well, the first question, what is a direct verb? A direct verb is a verb that works directly with the name of the person or object that we have. For example, in English we can have I see Maria, Vиждам Maria, same in Bulgarian. Vиждам and then Maria, see and then Maria. However, if we have the verb I'm searching for, I'm looking for, in English we have this little word for in front of Maria in our sentence to make the sentence structurally correct. However, in Bulgarian we will still say Tърся Maria. So in English, to search or to look for are indirect verbs. There is an obstacle between the verb itself and Maria. However, in Bulgarian there is no obstacle, so tърся is still a direct verb. However, if we have the verb to help, помагам, in Bulgarian that will be indirect one. For example, помагам на Maria, I'm helping to Maria. And помагам will always need na in front of the name to signify who is the receiver of our help. And that is the major difference between the two languages, that sometimes verbs are direct while in the other language are indirect and vice versa, and the only way to know and to recognize is by memorizing and learning them. There is no clear rule. As far as I'm aware, there is no rule in English for when a verb is direct and for when it is not, and same in Bulgarian. We just have to learn one by one which one goes with na, to, and which one don't. Do you have similar confusions when you speak in Bulgarian, and is it difficult for you to remember which verb is direct and which verb is indirect when we speak, especially in daily life? Do you have any further questions about this topic? And if that is the case, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and we will be more than glad to help you in our next video. Bye for now.